ये अब हम अभी एक टी प्रोसेसिंग प्लांट पे आए हैं और यहाँ चलते हैं और देखते हैं कि चाय कैसे बनती है और क्या प्रोसीजर होता है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू। कैन आई मेक वीडियो? नो प्रॉब्लम? ओके, थैंक यू।
You can see the factory.
यस,
Just upstairs.
अपस्टेयर्स। ओके, कम ऑन। This is factory.
Yes.
ये ड्रायर रूम है चाय का।
These are the tea plant.
These are the tea plants. ये चाय की बागात हैं इनके, और ये इन्होंने सैंपल के तौर पे यहाँ पे कुछ टी प्लांटेशन की हुई है। ओके।
Okay, I will explain tea history.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
In 1867, Sir James Taylor introduced tea to Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka tea famous as Ceylon tea
Yes.
around the world. Annually, we are making nearly 275 million kilos.
275 million kilos.
Our total tea production, 97%, we export to the other countries.
97%.
Okay.
In Sri Lanka, we have different kind of tea plant. These
Okay.
are someone. Green tea, black tea, coming from same tea plant, but
Okay.
it has two different process. Basically, black tea, we have to fermentation. Green tea without fermentation.
Oh, I see.
And these two are very special kind of in Sri Lanka. These two coming from two different tea plants.
This one.
This one and this one we call golden tea and silver tea. To produce this tea, we use only tips. And these two go never any other process, dry by sun. These two include more tannin. Do you know tannin?
No.
As example, coffee including caffeine, like tea including tannin.
Okay.
Tannin good for against cholesterol, diabetes, kidneys, losing body weight, especially growing antioxidant in the body. These two you can't buy any other shops or supermarket. You can buy only here.
Okay.
Because black tea, we produce nearly 1,500 kilograms per day.
Okay.
But these two, we produce nearly 25-30 kilo per month. Therefore, we can't export. We have less product.
Okay.
This factory, we produce only black tea. After pluck the tea leaves, we bring to the factory, the spread here, like this. Now, this is first process we call withering. Withering means reduce moisture. There is a big fan and normal air blowing through the tea leaves. Tea leaves dry up 18 to 20 hours. Every open 6 by 6 hours, turned by hand. After this process, tea leaves weight convert to half. As
Okay.
example, when we put 10 kilo, after this process, it's become nearly 5 kilo.
5 kilo.
Yes, this is the fresh tea leaves we can't control, but after wither, it's easy to control.
Okay.
You can see this process.
ये देखें जी, जो इन्होंने हमें बताया है उसके मुताबिक यहाँ पर ये चाय बनाने का ये पहला मरहला है और ये इसको ड्राई कर रहे हैं। वहाँ भी इन्होंने मशीन ऑन कर दी है। ये सारा प्रोसेस आप देख सकते हैं।
We have another area, it's a very big tea plantation. After pluck the tea leaves, downstairs to upstairs,
Okay.
We can bring support this machine.
Okay.
Let's go second stage downstairs.
Thank you. और अब हम नीचे जा रहे हैं इसका दूसरा प्रोसेस देखने के लिए। What is the name of this factory?
Khadugannam tea factory.
Khaduganna?
Khadugannam.
यहाँ पे दूसरा प्रोसेस चल रहा है चाय बनाने का।
This is the second process we call rolling. This
Rolling.
roller machine, very old machine, is still working. It's made in England.
Okay.
After withering process, with the tea leaves 175 kilograms, we apply first roller supporting the shooter.
Okay.
First roller we need to roll 20 minutes without any pressure, just rolling.
Okay.
Because first time we are accepting unbroken tender leaves, younger leaves. It's like a roll, like a seeds, like a ball. We call leafy tea. It's giving light taste because in here tea shells not broken, just rolling.
Okay.
After 20 minutes, take out tea leaves. We pass sifter machine. We call roll break.
This one. वहाँ से निकालने के बाद उस रोलर से निकालने के बाद मशीन को यहाँ पे डाला जाता है और एक और स्टेज उसकी क्लियर की जाती है।
Sizes of meshes like bigger, medium, and small.
Okay.
Most younger tender leaves very smaller than other leaves. Most younger one, tender one fall through the meshes. The rest fall in front of the machine.
Okay.
And as well as again another with the tea leaves 175 kilograms. We apply second roller supporting the shooter. Second roller we need to roll 20 minutes with pressure. You can see how to apply.
Okay. उसके बाद इस पे you apply pressure also here.
Yes. Tea leaves become a small particle we call broken grains. It's giving a strong taste because in here tea shells are broken.
Okay.
After 20 minutes that broken particles we take out and we put this machine and separate.
Okay.
Finally rest. Rest means harder stems and big leaves. All together we put third roller. Third time we need to roll 20 minutes with full pressure.
Full pressure.
Become a powder.
So in a second stage you cannot apply a full pressure.
No, with pressure, little pressure.
Little pressure.
Yes.
But in a third stage you apply full pressure, maximum pressure.
It's become a powder. We call tea dust. It's less quality, low quality.
Okay.
You can buy supermarket. Most of tea bags, loose tea include tea dust. It's very cheap but low quality.
Okay.
So after grading all the graded tea, grade wise like this, we keep 2.5 hours for the fermentation process. Fermentation means oxidization. Tea leaves reacting with normal oxygen. We spray water, support that humidifier, not directed to the tea, only for this area.
Okay. ये जो मशीन चली है इसके जरिए ये इसको पानी का प्रेशर मारते हैं। मे भी अभी शो करेंगे। ये देखिए आपको कैमरे में नज़र आ रहा होगा एक स्प्रे जो है वो हमें यहाँ खड़े हुए भी फील हो रहा है कि ये स्प्रे और कूलिंग एक तरह से पानी की मॉइस्चर ये स्प्रे किया जाए।
Because we need to keep moisture in this area. After 2.5 hours, green color particles become brown color, and this fermentation process gives good aroma, taste, color for the tea. We ferment only black tea because black tea we use as a beverage, taste and aroma, and green tea, silver, golden without fermentation because these three we use as a herbal tea, medicine tea.
Okay.
Okay, let's go next process.
Tea smell. Here is a tea smell.
This is a dryer machine. After fermentation process,
ये ड्रायर मशीन है.
Dryer machine. Dry 22 minutes under 120 Celsius. After the dry, tender particle convert to the black color and harder stems convert to the brown color. Harder stems we use only compost back to the tea garden as a fertilizer.
Okay.
And these two separate this machine. We call fiber mat. When we switch on this plastic roller working as a magnet. The smaller stems stick the roll and separate away. Tea and bigger stems go through the silver color mat and fall in front of the machine.
Okay. और ये मुख्तलिफ किस्म की चाय है, ये डस्ट है, ये उससे अलग ग्रेड की डिफरेंट टाइप की टीज यहाँ पर जो है वो रखी हुई है. और पूरे रूम में जो है ये सबसे बेस्ट क्वालिटी की चाय जो है ये है.
This is the tea dust. It's less quality, low quality. It's more like powder or brownish color because it's include harder stems, big leaves all together.
Okay.
Behind side of the dryer machine. Dryer get heat from here.
Okay.
This process as a fuel we use only firewood. We can get natural taste, aroma, flavor for the tea. Mostly we use rubber wood. Because in Sri Lanka, second biggest crop in rubber. Therefore we have lot
These
of
are the rubber tree?
Yes.
Oh.
Every often 20-30 years we cut and replant. And firewood is, this rubber wood is burning, long time burning. And this furnace more than 95 years old, is still working. It's made in Belfast, Ireland.
Oh my God.
This is the firewood splitter.
Made by Ireland. ये इस तरह से यहाँ पे लकड़ी को तोड़कर और फिर इस भट्टी में जलाने के काम लाया जाता है. ये सारी रबर ट्रीज हैं. Good. It's all?
No.
Okay.
No fine mistakes. Heat go there. The
Okay.
smoke go out, support that chimney.
ओके. ये धुआं जो है वो इस चिमनी से बाहर जाता है और जो हीट होती है वो ये पूरे प्रोसेस के ज़रिए इन लाइंस के ज़रिए आगे जो चाय की मशीनें हैं उनमें चली जाती है. ये देखें, ये डिफरेंट टाइप का. श्रीलंका में एक से एक आपको पौधे नज़र आएंगे. ओके, थैंक यू. और ये देखें आप यहाँ पे एक तरह की ये छन्नी है, इसको छान के जो है ना.
This is final stage.
Okay.
Generally in the rolling room, already graded tea. Again
Yes.
we separate tea according to the size.
Okay.
Because when we dry tea, this is younger particle, tender particle, not open, not broken, because it has more moisture, more sap. But same time bigger is open and broken. It haven't more moisture, more sap. Therefore we again categorize tea according to the size. Support this machine.
Okay.
It separate different size. Bigger particle giving light taste and small particle giving the strong taste. So after grading tea according to the size wise, again we separate tea according to the weight. Support this machine. Kumari akan lagi ditandang ko onda. Lagi ditandang ko onda. box. And this is the conveyor belt. We go through the conveyor belt.
Okay.
This machine we call suction winnower. It consists sucker and winnower. Sucker as a vacuum. Then sucker suck the tea. More heavier particle fall near to the winnower. Lighter particle fall near to the sucker.
Okay.
Heavier means it's include more younger tender particle. This is the best. As example, when we put English breakfast tea, after separate, we can get extra special, first quality, second quality, third quality. It's all our same tea, same size, same appearance, but different quality. It's giving completely different taste, and always younger tender use best quality. You can see the machine.
Color separator.
This is the color separator, one of modern machine made in Japan. It has an electromagnet and color sensor camera. It can recognize what are the black color, what are the brown color. A black color tea particle fall in front of the machine, brown color hardest stems fall behind the machine.
ये मशीन में कैमरे लगे हुए हैं और ये जैपनीज मशीन है और ये जो टीज को देखती है कि जो ब्राउन पार्टिकल हैं उनको पीछे फेंक देगी और जो ब्लैक पार्टिकल हैं जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं जो ब्लैक पार्टिकल आ रहे हैं यहाँ पर, ये जो काली चाय है वो यहाँ पे जमा हो रही है और ब्राउन उसके बैक से जा रहा है। ओरिजिनल है और ये अभी हम जो टी प्लांटेशन में आए थे तो उनकी तरफ से ये फ्री सैंपल टेस्ट कराया जा रहा है और ये मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म की चाय भी नीचे रखी हुई है और ये इनकी शॉप है। आप यहाँ से डिफरेंट किस्म की टीज़ परचेज़ कर सकते हैं।